We videoing. Just the snowman is for sale, not the house.
Snowman?
We first time home buyer. We can't sell it right now.
I had mine inside on the toilet.
Daniel.
I built a little one, put him on the toilet, took a picture of it.
I know, but you don't know how bad it's going to want to dive on.
Don't dive on the snowman.
The snow goes where we can kick it. I got water all over my hands.
It's videoing.
Mom with the bags on her feet. And then our ghetto snowman. But it kind of looks cool because he looks high because he's got bloodshot orange eyes. Steve-O! Uncle Kenny! Howdy. I'm putting on sunglasses when there's no sun.
I got Durin.
How you got darn?
What's up? January.